Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about limit. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to do about factorization of this one. So for this one I will put about negative 4x and positive x. Negative number 4, negative number 4. We can do about factorization and we put about s plus 1. This one we have s squared and s. We can do another factorization and we have s multiplied by s plus 1. So we have s plus 1, s plus 1. We can do another factorization. Next, we have the formula in here. That is about a minus b multiplied by a plus b equals to a squared minus b squared. So this is about a, this is about b, so a minus b. Now we want to create about a square minus b square because I want to cancel about the square root. So we need to multiply by this one plus this one. So because we create about the factor in here, that's why on the denominator we need to have this one. So for this one we will have about 2x plus 1 because we have the power 2 in here. So we cancel about the square root minus number 3 to the power of 2. So 1 minus 9. This is about number 9. You got about negative number 8. So we can do about factorization of this one. And we have number 2 multiplied by s minus 4. Later that we simplify s minus 4 on numerator and denominator. Next, we can put number 4 go in here and here. So we can get the final answer. We calculate about this one and we got 1/15 and this is the final answer. This is the end. Thank you for watching.